Listening to experts talk about particular asset classes as possible long-term investments can provide a lot of valuable insights into making decisions for your own portfolio, but it's important to remember to balance the views of experts with reason and common sense. After spending their entire professional lives specializing in a particular field such as precious metals, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, uranium and nuclear energy, or even investing in artwork, these experts may believe that their chosen profession is the absolute best one to invest in for long-term gains. Unfortunately, specializing in one asset class can create a myopic view of the investing world. Of course, experts think their chosen asset is the best. They've spent their lives studying it. Without balancing this unintentionally narrow-sighted view with alternative perspectives, it can be far too easy for an investor to decide to go all in on an asset class that might not perform as well as experts believe. And there are many investments that have not panned out the way the experts proclaimed they would. For example, gold bugs and silver bugs claimed precious metals would explode during times of global strife and high inflation, with gold targets of $5,000 an ounce and silver targets of $100 an ounce. However, when Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022, at the same time inflation was at highs not seen in more than 50 years, gold's all-time high was $2,081 an ounce, and silver only reached $26.95 an ounce. Both precious metals did increase in value, but nowhere near the experts' targets. There have been entire investment classes that imploded, leaving investors down 90% or more. In the early 2000s, 3D printing was supposed to be the next big thing. However, 3D Systems, a popular 3D printing company, is down more than 90% from its all-time high set nearly 10 years ago. Likewise, the cannabis sector was supposed to explode and become bigger than alcohol before 2020. Instead, the entire space has been slammed, with leading companies like Tilray down more than 99% from their all-time highs set in 2018. And even best-in-breed ETFs like Advisor Shares Cannabis ETF MSOS is down more than 91% from its high set in 2021. Investing in speculative asset classes can be incredibly lucrative for long-term investors, but you need to remember that risk management should be your top priority. Limit the amount of money you're willing to risk to a part of your portfolio you're prepared to lose entirely, and always buy in stages by either waiting for sell-offs or dollar cost averaging. Listening to experts is a fantastic way to learn about new investments, but remember that their enthusiasm for their specialty only provides a biased view of the potential rewards and pitfalls of investing in their chosen field.